In today's video I'm going to take you through how I do my weekly analysis. And what is weekly analysis? That is a process I use to identify potential trades in the upcoming week. After the weekly analysis, I know this is how price played out in the previous week, and this is how we are expecting price to play out this week. It helps me with my bias in the week and know the trades I should avoid and the trades I should take. In this video, I'm going to take you through my processes I use in my weekly analysis and how I identify potential setups ahead of time before the week starts. This really helps you with your whole trading. It's a good process to do. It's a good thing to do before the market starts, and I promise you, when you add this to your trading plan, it is going to change a lot of things for you. It's going to change how you see the market, how you approach the market, it's going to change a lot of things in your trading journey. I want you to learn how I do mine and try to incorporate it in your trading plan so that it will help you to develop your trading strategies. Okay, stick with me. I'm going to take my time and explain things to you and give you my bias for the week so that you will know how you approach the market this week. Without wasting my time, let's get into the video. The XY is bearish, but he just got into a demand zone and we are reacting from it, which means that we are done with the main pullback and now we are about to go higher. Okay, so here, which can mean that we are done with the main pullback. So this means that, you see, we were bullish, we broke structure over here and price started pulling back. That's why we became bearish since January. So since we've gotten into a demand zone that is giving us this reaction, it can mean that we are about to continue the bullish trend, or we can be wrong, but the probability for us to go up is high since this signifies a pullback and we've gotten into a discount zone. So let me add this. So price is in a discounts on the weekly time. Yeah, so it's likely for us to go up, but we don't take any decision here since this is the weekly time frame. We are expecting market to open and we see what the market will give us. We trade what we see. Let's save this one, take a screenshot. So go up. Okay, let's save this one. Let's go to the daily time frame and see what the XY is giving us. So on the daily, you can see that the XY is just reacting from, so it can potentially mean we are done with the so it can mean that we are done with the pullback. So let's check what the XY is giving us on the daily. So these are areas that we can target. Alright, if you want to take a wild swing, we can look for entries around there and target these areas because it's likely for us to come and take this size. Alright, but for now, let's see. So the XY just
tap into demand zone. Yeah, I got 19 and this one. Really that's all. And 5 day candle close bullish. So in this one, yeah, expecting bullish price action on XY. Yes, on XY.
So basically that's it. We don't have much. We have these areas to target. If we are buying, we have some areas to target. So let me
account. So we have some areas to sweep. This is an liquidity price likely to go and sweep.
so these are some liquidity zones that price can go and sweep. Alright. So we can mind this is the daily time frame, so it will take very long time for price to even come here. You can see this was before the pullback took like 3 months. This is June and we are in April. It took like 4 months before it got this pullback, so for us to go back it will take a lot of time. So it can even happen before the end of this year or maybe after it depends. This market, that's what it wants. So but this is what we are expecting, so we look for more buy setups. So let's save this one. We go to the 4-hour time frame. This is where we mark our POIs. It's where we mark our POIs. So we'll clean this one. And there is this imbalance that price is trying to fill. You can get a reaction from here. We are even getting the reaction. Okay, and there is I think there is another. This is from the daily fair value gap that has not been tested yet. So I'm aware. I will just mark it and know that okay, this is daily fair value gap, and I know when price gets there we might get a reaction. 1D FVG. So that is it. So we can look for, this can be some supply zone we can sell from if price give us a good entry. So these are some liquidities price can target. So that is it. So if you get, so this is the analysis we are doing on the DXY. So yeah, the 4-hour is bearish and the 4-hour is bearish, but it has just 80 day demand zone. It's good. And so what I wrote it, okay, yeah, I thought it didn't come. So that's all on the XY. We save this one. I'm going to go 15 minutes and before potential output. But for now, this was the XY for weeks. Since the SY is giving us a bullish bias, we can expect a bearish bias from. So let's go to the weekly. So on the weekly, this is what is happening. We still have some. We just took this liquidity, so it means we can
can sell from here. And since we are bullish on the XY, we can be bearish on Euro USD. And you can see it just came to mitigate this area. This supply zone has been mitigated, so it means that but there are a lot of liquidity above this one, so we can, it depends, we can come up, sweep it before we go down, or we can just go down from wherever we are. Okay, so this is what we are seeing on the weekly. So on the weekly, let's look at what is happening on the weekly. On the weekly, bullish and price. So basically, write whatever you see on the charts, of course. That is what's going to give you your general bias for the day, or for the week. Yeah, for the week. This 1 week. Let's go to the daily. So on the daily, what are we seeing? Since price just mitigate this zone, they are likely to come and take out all this liquidity around this area. This is what I'm watching. The daily price has mitigated supply. Yes, so on the daily, price has mitigated. Let me save this on camera. So on the daily, price has mitigated a supply zone, and it has given a reaction. It has given us a bearish reaction, and we can see a lot of sell side liquidity below which price can target. Alright, so that is on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour. Then we are done with Euro USD. So the 4 hour is giving us this reaction. This now our trading range from here to here, and price is almost in the discount. So if price takes out these lows, we are likely to come down. So we will watch what price will do. So on the 4 hour, we are bullish. On the 4H, we are bullish, and yes, that's what the 4 hour is telling us. So we are bullish. You can see with this break of structure, and we just mitigated a supply zone. So that is what is giving us this bearish reaction. So if we take the low, we look for sales. If we get a change of character, that means we are coming to take the high. We are still going bullish. So let's save this one too. And basically, I won't do the GG because GU, because it will have similar. I can do it, but just that it will take the video will be long, so I won't do EU. So let me check other pairs if we have potential trade setups. So you can see EU has taken the lows already. Alright, while GU has taken the lows already, whilst EU hasn't. So let's see. That is what people call SMC traps. So let's see what happens when the market opens. So when we go to features, I have
just added this, but I've not traded it yet. I'm now doing some forward testing and back testing on it to see if it will really make sense to me. So this is what the 4 hour is showing on gold, but I'm not interested in trading gold this week. But if I'll do the analysis though. Yeah, that I don't want the video to be long, so I won't focus on it. Okay, so that is it for my weekly analysis. I go through the chart, look for where I can take potential buys and sells. I can get setups in the week and trade, but my main pair is Euro USD, GBP USD, and I have at times I trade gold, Bitcoin, and GJ. So thank you for watching, and let's see how it plays out. At the end of the week, we will do so. This is what we are adding to the monk mode. So at the end of the week, we'll come back. We will go through the chart with you and know if our bias was right or we got it wrong, and see how we can work on it, improve it. We are just improving ourselves and improving the strategy that we've developed so far. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time.